In this Namecheap tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to create an account with Namecheap step by step. Creating an account with Namecheap is a quick and easy process. I provide a link to Namecheap in the description below that takes you to the current month's Namecheap deals so you can save money on your Namecheap purchase. There's Namecheap promo codes and offers on all kinds of Namecheap services offered. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. You may not receive a commission from Namecheap at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Namecheap discount. Let's get started with the Namecheap tutorial going over how to create an account with Namecheap so you can successfully get signed up with Namecheap. The first step to create an account with Namecheap is to click the link in the description below to visit the current Namecheap deals page and so you can get a Namecheap discount and save money on your Namecheap purchase. You'll see at the top the sign up link. Click this and you'll be taken to the Create Namecheap account page. You can get to the sign up link from any Namecheap page you're on. For example, let's say I find an offer I want to use. If I click it, you'll see the sign up link is in the top. No matter the page, you can easily sign up with Namecheap and get your account created. From the Create Account page, put in a username to be used for logging into Namecheap. Put in a password to be used for logging into your Namecheap account. Put your first and last name and the email address you want to use for your Namecheap account creation. You can select or unselect the Sign Me Up for Namecheap's newsletter and marketing communication. Click the Create Account and Continue button. Your Namecheap account is now created. Namecheap will email you details. You'll be here on the Namecheap dashboard. Or once logged in, you'll be in the Namecheap dashboard. In the top menu, you'll see all the different services. You can hover over it and drop downs will show up where you can select on what you want. For example, I'll click domains. It'll take me to the domains page where I can search for a domain name. You'll see up at the top your username showing. You can continue in checking out with whatever service you want from Namecheap. You've successfully signed up with Namecheap. That is my Namecheap tutorial going over how to create an account with Namecheap. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment, letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Namecheap tutorial videos.